Hi, I'm Jean Lerson and I've been painting in watercolors for more than 20 years now. In this course, I'm going to show you how to paint loosely in watercolors. We're going to paint this thistle painting and I'm going to show you how I created these textures in the leaves. And we're going to paint wet in wet, which is fun because some of the color from the thistles will bleed into the background and just make for a more interesting painting that leaves more for the eye to interpret. Here's a close-up of the thistle painting where you can see the textures that I created with the materials that I'm going to demonstrate and how the color of the flowers bled slightly into the background. I just liked the way that happened. It was happy accidents. When you're doing wet in wet, you get these happy accidents. I'm going to do two demonstrations. One where we fill the whole of the watercolor paper and the other one where we leave some white space, and you'll be able to decide which one you prefer. By using your imagination and finding ways to stretch the boundaries of watercolors, you can make your paintings unique. Unlike oils and acrylics, you can add other mediums to watercolors to create textures and interesting results. At the end of this course, there'll be a video on different ways to create textures in your watercolors. So why don't you come and paint along with me now and find your inner creativity? Let's have some fun.